Selamat datang kembali di channel Harmonik, dan semoga sahabat yang baik hati selalu sehat walafiat, tidak kurang apapun. Memang, banyak hal yang terjadi, dan sebagian darinya akan mempengaruhi suasana hati dan pikiran, entah suka ataupun duka, dan semuanya mengalir dalam pikiran, yang akhirnya membangun sebuah suasana di dalam hati kita. Video kali ini, kita akan melihat beberapa reaksi dari para reaktor wanita terhadap petikan gitar Alip Bata, dan tentu saja akan menjadi hal menarik untuk disimak. Seperti apa saja ulasan mereka, mari kita simak. Namun sebelumnya, silakan subscribe, like, dan share. Selamat menonton.
I'm gonna stop it really quick, you guys, because I'll rewind. I'll go back once I do that. Once I do pause, because what I love about Alip Bata, okay, I was not afforded that luxury to have a person play guitar for me very well. Like, I was stuck listening to somebody. It was like hearing cats in the neighborhood crying and nails on a chalkboard every time I had to hear that. So this is like literally a breath of fresh air for me. It's so special to me because of the way he can make his guitar sing. He can make it sing. And, you know, I don't know how to play guitar, and I'm not going to pretend that I do. And I'm not a musician, so I'm not going to pretend like, hey, I know what I'm talking about when he hits E or he's in drop D or whatever. I don't know. I don't know any of that stuff. But what I do know is that I'm a sensitive, I'm an empath, and I can feel the music. And I just love the way he makes me feel when I watch his videos. So I backed up just a little bit because this is not a very long video. It's only 3 minutes. So Alippers, I really just want to say really quick, thank you. And we're almost to 100K, you guys. So if you haven't yet, you know what to do.
This song is so emotional. It's really deep. Oh my god! What kind of things that he used that they make the sounds like that?
What is this? This is so, like, it's not just his the finger tap style that he has, but he's introducing, like, I love it when he does like the recorder and stuff, but I've never seen him use this thing. It's like a motor of some sort. Like, he's playing guitar with that. I can't wait to see that. I backed it up because I want to see that again.
It makes it sound like a violin.
That's so mantap. Is that when you say in Indonesia, great or amazing is mantap, right? This song is really so beautiful. It's really one of the really emotional, beautiful song, and just Alip give it again a beautiful cover. It's just really so beautiful as always to listening to it when Alip start those finger style of him. It's just so beautiful, just like while Alip playing this song.
absolutely amazing. And I find it really hard to pause it sometimes because I'm so like stuck on watching him. So beautiful. You just don't know when to press that pause button. But as reactors, we kind of have to. I could listen to him all day.
This is one of one of the best guitarists in the world. Wow, Alip.
Look at him.
You are so...
That was Kiss the Rain Yiruma cover by Alip. Thank you so much to you guys for requesting this one. It was a beautiful song. I've never heard this one before by Yiruma, but I know River Flows in You, and that's like a really nice song. I really want to see how Alip...
He doesn't even make any big deal about it. This is what I love so much about this man, how humble he comes off as. And I fully believe Alip gives us his all. Just him. He's just himself. But he could play guitar really well, you all. Like, I've never in my life got to sit down and watch somebody just play the guitar like this.
Amazing. So yes, and the video is done. This is one of another great amazing performance of Alip. This song is really beautiful song, and Alip covered it again with this